today we are going to unbox Barbie color reveal. Okay, let's open. Oh. Ta-da! What is that? We don't know what we got. So, what are we going to do?
Open.
We should open this. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. What is this?
Barbie.
The Barbie comes with how many? How many surprise?
One.
Count. Cepat tengok ni.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Only 4. Okay, so what are we going to do first? Okay, so we are going to follow instruction. So, we got this is metallic edition. So the first one is okay. We put in the water up to this level. Ooh. I hope the water is enough. Oh, no. Yes.
And open this.
So we are not sure which one we are going to get.
Oh
So
no, it's really, we need the help too. Ayra help.
So what should we do?
In the water.
Put the Barbie in the water. Okay, put first. Let it dissolve. Oh god. Oh my god. The color dissolve. Wow. Auntie Honey.
Johnny. Not yet. The color is. Let's see.
Meanwhile, so you can see that. Wait. Let mommy show to the camera. You see that? The color dissolve. It's so nice.
We need to.
Yeah, we need to put it in.
Oh my god. Scary. Oh my gosh.
Eh, not yet. Wait. Not yet. It's not properly dissolved yet. So you have to wipe this. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Wow, which one did we got? I'm not sure which one did we got. Right? Okay, so right. Yay, it's done. Wait, a little bit more. Let me get the tissue.
Oh my god. It's so
It's so
pretty.
pretty.
It's wet.
Yeah, so
We open this.
yeah. So we got the purple hair Barbie. What's that?
Shoot.
Shoes? Show the camera the shoes.
Shoot.
Yeah, like this. Got these shoes. Okay, so what's next? Let's see, what hair do we got? It's a purple hair. So this is the hair. What is that? So we are going to stick the hair. There is hole over there. We're going to stick it.
Skirt.
Yeah.
Put on.
So we should put on the skirt. So we got skirt. So what's next? Is there anything else?
Me.
No more.
Wow.
Dia buat apa tu?
Itu
Wow.
macam goncang serapat tu.
It's a surprise Barbie, right? So what's that?
Yes.
Earring. Put it inside. How do we put it? Okay, like that. Where's one more? Okay. Oh, maybe
Shoes.
shoes. So hot. Where's the shoes? This one. Ta-da. Wow! So this is the final Barbie look. So nice. Okay?
Okay.
So what you want to say?
Bye. Bye. See you tomorrow. I love you. Don't you get?